Good afternoon, students and everyone. Today is Monday and new homework for today. We're using a lesson book for language art. Language art, page 91. The section about reading. Unit 1, read. Short text, let's read together as usual. Where is the picture? Circle it. Here is the picture. And the text is about that picture. To ever, from Tom. Subject, my classroom. Hi Eva. This is my classroom. This is my teacher. I have a desk. I have a chair. I have a waste basket too. Do you have a backpack? I have 2 books in my backpack. There is a bookcase. There is a fish. Do you have a fish? What do you have in your classroom? Tom. About classroom, and let's answer questions. What does Tom have? A desk. He has a desk. What is in the classroom? Posters, waste basket, cupboard. There is a waste basket. What is in the backpack? A pencil case, pens, books. There are 2 books. What is the picture about? The picture about Tom's classroom. Great. Classroom. Okay, students, the question is, do you have a backpack? And 3 words. Number 1. Increasing. Go up. Increasing. 2. Decreasing. Goes down. Decreasing. And 3. Missing. For example, missing number. Missing. Okay, that's all for today's homework. Remember, you're the best. Bye-bye.
I like to play all day. What do you say?